Good morning, everybody. Well, it's morning where I am at about 32 degrees, so that's why I'm wearing the hood. You can probably see my breath. Can you see that? All right, well, anyway, this is going to be a little channel update video, let you guys know what's going on around here in life and in the channel and all that good stuff. So I wanted to first thank everybody who's been watching the videos, commenting on the videos, and everyone who's left a very nice comment about my baby daughter, who is about 7 weeks now. If you left a comment about her, thank you. A lot of people have been very nice and saying that she's cute and everything, and she really is. But I appreciate that. We appreciate that, my wife and I, so thank you so much. And yeah, just let me tell you what's going on out here right now. So as far as videos has been recently released, I've been going back and looking at some figures that I have that I haven't really spent time to show you them in depth. Kind of like the 12-inch Marvel Legends Spider-Man, and I plan on doing the same thing with the 12-inch Captain America and the 12-inch Iron Man. I have both of them, but I never, at least I don't think that I ever really did individual videos about those. So I'm kind of going through a little bit of a backlog right now, and then some other stuff I plan on doing. I've got like a Marvel Select Carnage that I never really did a review on camera, so I plan on doing that. I want to get the NECA Toys 7-inch Kratos from the new God of War game, and that just came out, so I would like to get that and kind of put them next to the Ultimate Kratos that I have, and that was a really awesome figure. I never did a proper review on that one. That was really more of a live stream thing. Maybe I'll go back, I'm not too sure. Now to think of it, like I'm trying to remember like where all the pieces of that for that figure are. I can't quite remember. See, that's just another thing I'll have to look at. So that's in the works. Another group of videos that I've been doing are the house videos, in which my wife and I are going around and looking at potential houses that we might want to move into. This is the house that we're in now. And there's really nothing wrong with this house. The reason why we're looking to move into another one is primarily because of distance from work, and distance from all these little places that you don't really know that you're going to need to go to until you need to go to them. And where we are now, it just seems like everything is a half hour away or more. It's like, the hospital where the baby was born, we really wanted to go to that hospital. Well, where's that hospital? That's about 30 minutes away. If I want to get my glasses adjusted at the place where I bought them from, or the chain that I bought them from, where's the nearest one? It's about 30 minutes away. Any of the Toys R Us's, where are they? They're about 30 minutes away. And just like everything, just like 30 minutes away. But, it's not just stores, it's also work. When my wife gets off from maternity leave and she goes back to work, we don't want to do daycare. Just people are just so freaking nuts these days. We would prefer not to do daycare if we can at all help it. And family lives too far away to do babysitting when we do go to work. So she works closer to the evening, and I work during the day. So we want to be able to basically just tag out and tag in when it comes to taking care of the baby. I go home from work, she goes to work, and the baby will have total coverage that way. And that's currently not possible where we are now because it's too far away. So by the time I get home from work, she would already be late for work. So we need to make it so that instead of going through like the half-hour journey, if we can narrow that down to about 10 or 15 minutes, then she would be able to get to work on time with time to spare. So that's what we're trying to do, hoping that all the stars line up for us to do that. And while we do that, that's why I've been just making these videos, because I do enjoy looking at houses. I like thinking about the possibilities of what life would be like inside of a place that I don't currently live. And yeah, every time I do a video about that, I just always want to bring you guys along and share it with you. And we ain't gonna be able to go anywhere for, you know, a couple more months. So I'm looking pretty far out. And, you know, most of those houses, a lot of them probably won't be available by the time that we actually get around to, you know, putting in an application. But, you know, just to kind of see what's out there right now, that's what we're doing. So some 2018 goals. I know I'm kind of late to the party. I know everyone was kind of doing like these beginning of the year videos like, oh, what did I accomplish in 2017? And what do I hope to accomplish in 2018? And I'm gonna kind of do like what I did last year, in that I didn't make like resolutions. I really don't like resolutions. I just want to call them goals, things that I would like to strive for. And know that in 2017, one of the first goals that I had was to visit another country. I didn't complete that goal. I didn't get to go to Canada because I thought Canada would be the easiest because it's the closest. So I didn't get to go to Canada. That's fine. But I did get a passport. So I'm all passported up and ready to go whenever possibly can. I'm not sure if I mentioned in that video about having a baby, but I didn't want to look at a baby as being a goal. I just kind of wanted it to be something that, you know, happens. You know, because I don't know, I just didn't want to say like the baby is the goal, even though, you know, baby was the plan, and it was a successful plan. So the baby was born. We didn't move. I was like, I wanted to get out of that apartment. I wanted to move into this house, and we did. So that was an accomplished goal. And then I also have some other goals, mostly like financially based, that I wasn't able to hit last year, but I think I'm going to be able to hit it this year. I think there's a good chance that I'm going to be able to hit it this year, which would be great, you know, not only for the family, obviously, but also for the channel as well, so I can be able to bring forth, you know, more exciting action figure and collectible reviews, because, you know, I'll be able to buy them and I'll be able to afford them. And also just want to be more consistent with the channel. I know I wasn't as consistent as I wanted to be in 2017. 2016 was a pretty good year because everything was very nice and consistent, and that also kind of goes along with, you know, the how much easier financially life was in 2016 as compared to 2017. So I'm hoping that 2018 can be very similar to that. That should also help out with consistency and really just trying to, you know, just grow the channel more. Because if there's one big criticism that I do have of this channel of myself, is that, you know, it needs to be more consistent. But, you know, it ain't always that easy. But, you know, it takes the effort. You got to put in the effort and you got to try. And that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah, that's pretty much the update before I really enter into rambling territory. I know I'm kind of already there. But, yeah. So by the way, next video that you guys are probably going to see, that'll be the Marvel Select Carnage video. The one before that is probably this Comica microphone video kit thingy that I'm currently using and recording on, because here's the mic. So I'm using that, and yeah, this thing is pretty cool. So go ahead and check out that video for the Comica stuff. So, you know, it's pretty good. I like tech stuff and microphones and things like that. And I know a lot of people on the channel, you know, really just like the toys and stuff, and I do too. You know, but I do mix it up from time to time because, you know, it's just something that I'm interested in, and you know, I just like to share things that I'm interested in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the channel update, and thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support and all your views and comments and all that great stuff. You guys are really cool. You've always been very nice to me, and I really appreciate that. So until next time, I'll see you later.